What is up, YouTube? Back again with another video. And like I told you guys in the previous video, we were going to be fixing this car up. Now, my fiance did work a number on this car. She managed to mess up the front bumper and break off this little side mirror here. The mirror itself is good. It's not cracked or anything. But we went ahead and ordered 2 replacements because it is it comes in that little black plastic, so we're just gonna go ahead and replace both. That way they're matching. But yeah, guys, it was like 30 bucks for both of them, so either way we didn't spend, you know, too much. And for the doors are that's still to be continued, but for now, you know, we're gonna fix the mirrors off real quick. So it's actually quite easy from what I've, you know, seen. I know you gotta take off this little plastic. This just comes right off. You gotta give it a little pull and then comes off just like that. And right away we can see we have a connector here. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect that. And we got I believe these are 10 or 8 millimeter nuts. We got 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna go ahead and pull those out. All right, guys, so this one right here, this is a 10 millimeter nut, and all these other ones are 8 millimeter nuts. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these, and I think the side mirror should just pop right out. All right, guys, so I got those nuts off, so it should hopefully just come right out. Okay, so this connector seems to be in the way. We got to push it down a little bit. Okay, there we go. And it comes right off just like that, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side. We don't need that anymore. Gonna go ahead and grab the replacement and put it in. All right, guys, and here we have a replacement, and it should be a straight fit. It's just gonna go right in where the other one came off. We gotta get this little connector in first, and all these little bolts right here should line up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this in, and I'll be right back with you guys once I get the replacement in. All right, guys, so I guess it was too good to be true, and the thing didn't fit. One of the bolts lines up, so does the middle part, but these two are like way too far apart. They're too close together. So I gotta start drilling here and here in order to make it fit, you know. And yeah, just don't buy stuff from carparts.com. I mean, I should have known by the reviews. It said I had like quite a few reviews that said it didn't fit at all. So, you know, just keep that in mind if you guys ever order something from carparts.com. All right, guys, and as you can see, it's not perfect, but you know, fuck it, a mirror is a mirror. I'm not even sure if it's lined up. Like, it looks like it's lined up correctly. Here's what I had to do. So this is the original hole right here. I had to drill a hole a little bit below it, and I put a washer in just to secure it because I had to drill like 2 separate holes because I messed up on the first one, and the first one didn't line up. So I just gotta put this little shit back on, and then gotta put this back on too, and that's all there is to it. Let me hold up, it's over here. This goes over here. All right, fuck that, you know, I can't, whatever. Point is we got the mirror back on. I'm not sure if we're gonna put that other one, since this one didn't fit. I'm pretty sure that other one's not gonna fit either, so I think we're just gonna leave it like this. But yeah, guys, hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.